Okay, so we're here for another regional. It's the Battle Black Oak. I've never been here before. This is the second to last event of the year, I think. Tez is in the Player of the Year race. I'm in the Player of the Year race. PJ's in the Player of the Year race. So it's a double point event. I honestly don't know how much the points matter, but anyways, we can wear all certified jerseys for the PBA now. And EFX is one of them. Oh, and I got a discount code DTAN at checkout for 10% off. I'm sure he has a coupon code, but if you want his, you got to go find him on wherever you can find him. But yeah, it's a cool deal. Alright, so looking like pitch black. Reality, when they start to break down, the gutter seems very touchy. Like there's plenty of hook if I'm right on top of it, but it's kind of that, you know, which pairs are going to hook earlier than others, and I'd rather not deal with it. So I'm a little closer to the track. It's more consistent. Just got to make sure I catch it so it doesn't get going to the right. I need to pick up before it gets there, or else it doesn't hook at all. They're still kind of flat, and I know it's only practice session, but they're probably only going to get flatter. So we'll see. Just gonna have to make some moves. We got plenty of options. I brought 14 balls, so bowling balls should not be an option or a problem. Just gotta make sure we pick the right ones at the right times. So we are bowling on twister pins, and as most of us know, twister pins are not really my friend. I feel like I'm so in between sometimes. I'm not straight enough to have my ball still going forward to the pins, because they are a little bit lighter, so my ball wants to dig a little more than normal. And I could be crazy, but I feel like I 4-9 more than I get the extra hit off of the messenger. So at the end of the day, it's still bowling. Just gotta make the shots that I can make. So to combat that, I'm just gonna try to throw urethane for as long as possible. And it looks okay so far, but you know, we just gotta stay open-minded to the possibilities. But yeah, pitch black reality, hype solid. UFO alert for later in the block, maybe phase 2. Might play around with a couple other balls, phase 5. All the guns, like I said, 14 balls. If we can't find one that works, then it's this guy.
We just got done bowling the Pro-Am, and the Shannon Cannon has a message for you all.
Listen, people.
He looks bad.
Enough is enough, okay? I am tired of this. I am tired of this message having to be pushed out to the subscribers of Darren Tang. What you see here is roughly 100 bowling balls. If we get to 100,000 subscribers, as you know, we're gonna give away this amount of bowling balls. But none of that can happen if you don't hit the button. If you don't hit the button, hit the button. If you, it's not hard. You don't want bowling balls? Everybody wants bowling balls. Everybody in the comment section always asks for bowling balls. It's one opportunity for you to get bowling balls, and you won't hit the button. Subscribe.
All right, we're back for qualifying. We're pulling 8 games today, 37-foot Marshall Holman pattern. I can imagine a lot of urethane balls are going to be going out there today. Gonna have to be a very heavily mental-focused week. Hopefully I make more good shots than not, but yeah, I'm not super sharp, so we'll definitely see. we got a 3-game update instead of 2 because we got no shots at game 1. But my parents are here, my mom's filming. So that's great for us. 120 over after 3. Going okay. You know, a couple of mistakes here and there, but managing the lanes pretty well for the most part. Striking a good amount, so if we can keep doing the same thing throughout the day, we should be in a good spot. So they got the top 16, top 4 get a 2-round bye, top 5 through 8 get a 1-round bye. So the goal, honestly, I've been having some good juju in the 4th spot, so I'll take a 2-round bye wherever it comes, but 4th spot, I'm feeling really good. Hi, we bowled 6 games so far. Not extremely happy with myself. Wow, rare sighting. Dad doesn't like to be on camera. I bowled pretty much 220 every game the last 3 games, and mostly due to just not micromanaging the best, but my low game is 220 so far, so probably doing the right thing. I'm just not bowling my best. I missed a spare the last game. My last 2 games could have easily been 250 at least, but like I said, the micromanaging hasn't been great. I think I'm just shy of 200 over now. Might go to reactive. Just started with urethane game 7, so it looks okay. I got one left in hell. It actually looked really good, so we might be throwing it all 8 games. We'll see. Very annoying day of bowling. It didn't matter how I bowled. I could have executed 5 out of 12, 9 out of 11. I bowled 220. Wrong place, wrong time. I played the lanes correct for the most part, which is why my low game was 220. I can't even say it was a quality day. I just feel like I wasn't sharp, made a lot of bad shots. Didn't take advantage of good pairs. I don't know, man. Finished 230 over though. Hope it's enough for a bye. All right, guys. I think I'm in 2nd place, so I should have a 2-round bye tomorrow. This guy.
We snuck in.
He's got a bowl in the morning. At least it was enough. Exciting finish. He had to wait out some games. Some went in, some went out. Actually, I think it was 1 in, 1 out. But there were a couple of people that could have won around him the last game. But fortunately, you did. So we're both bowling tomorrow. Hopefully, we'll see him in the round of 8. We'll see ya tomorrow for the finals.